In a student council, 30% of the students wear spectacles. If 48 students wear spectacles, calculate the number of students in the council. In a student council, 30% of the students wear spectacles. If 48 students wear spectacles, its mean, 30% of total students, equals 48. Calculate the number of students in the council. First, we will find the 70% of total students. But the total number of students is unknown. We can find total students by 30% of total students equals 48. 30 out of 100, times total students, equals 48. We will shift 30 out of 100 to the left-hand side, to find the total students. Now, total students equals 48 times 100 out of 30. 10 into 3, 30. 10 into 10, 100. 48 times 10 out of 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 16, 48. 16 times 10 equal 160. There are total 160 students in the Students' Council.